The first line of defense in the immune system, such as skin and mucous membranes, is known as ... The correct answer is D, innate immunity. What is the primary function of T lymphocytes, T cells? The correct answer is B, directly attack infected or cancerous cells. Which type of immunity is gained through vaccination? The correct answer is C, artificial active. What are the chemical messengers released by immune cells to communicate and regulate the immune response? The correct answer is A, cytokines. Which large white blood cells are specialists in phagocytosis, engulfing pathogens? The correct answer is A, macrophages. The swelling and redness associated with the immune response is primarily caused by the release of The correct answer is A, histamine. Which organ is the primary site for the maturation of T lymphocytes? The correct answer is B, thymus. What term describes the immune system mistakenly attacking the body's own tissues? The correct answer is A, autoimmunity. Which specific protein is created by B cells to neutralize a specific pathogen? The correct answer is C, antibody, immunoglobulin. The memory cells created after a primary infection are essential for The correct answer is B, rapid secondary response. What is the primary role of the spleen in the immune system? The correct answer is B, filter blood and remove old red blood cells/pathogens. The process of a phagocyte engulfing a foreign particle is called ... The The correct answer is D, phagocytosis. Which cells release perforin and granzymes to induce apoptosis in infected cells? The correct answer is D, cytotoxic T cells, killer T cells. The ability of the immune system to distinguish between self and non-self is key to preventing. The correct answer is B, autoimmunity. What is the name for the protein complex that directly punches holes in the membranes of targeted cells? The correct answer is C, complement system. An extreme, potentially life-threatening allergic reaction is termed DOT. The correct answer is D, anaphylaxis. What is the medical term for the fever-inducing substances released by immune cells or pathogens? The correct answer is D, pyrogens. Which cells are responsible for initiating the secondary immune response upon re-exposure to a pathogen? The correct answer is B, memory cells. Antibodies belong to a class of proteins known as DOT. The correct answer is A, immunoglobulins. Which cells are the most numerous type of white blood cell and are usually the first responders to infection? The correct answer is D, neutrophils. What is the process where antibodies coat a pathogen, making it easier for phagocytes to engulf? The correct answer is B, opsonization. The major histocompatibility complex, MHC molecules, are crucial for The correct answer is B, antigen presentation to T cells. Which cells are classified as antigen-presenting cells, APCs? The correct answer is D, dendritic cells, and macrophages. The redness and heat associated with inflammation is mainly due to increased The correct answer is D, blood flow, vasodilation. What is the primary substance released by mast cells that causes immediate allergic symptoms? The correct answer is B, histamine. Which immunodeficiency disease targets and destroys helper T cells? The correct answer is C, HIV/AIDS. When a baby receives antibodies from its mother via breast milk, it is an example of ... The correct answer is A, natural passive immunity. What type of T cell coordinates the immune response by activating B cells and cytotoxic T cells? The correct answer is B, helper T cells, CD4+. Which of these is not considered part of the innate immune response? The correct answer is A, antibody production. Immunoglobulin E, IgE antibodies are most closely associated with ... The correct answer is A, allergic reactions and parasite defense. The primary site of origin, production, for all white blood cells is the... The correct answer is B, bone marrow. What are substances, usually proteins, on the surface of a pathogen that trigger an immune response? The correct answer is A, antigens. Which immune cells are primarily responsible for fighting parasitic worm infections? The correct answer is A, eosinophils. The movement of white blood cells toward a site of infection in response to chemical signals is called... The correct answer is A, chemotaxis. What type of immune response involves the production of antibodies by B cells? The correct answer is B, humoral, antibody-mediated. Which organ filters interstitial fluid and houses large numbers of immune cells? The correct answer is B, lymph nodes. The use of weakened or inactive forms of a pathogen to stimulate immunity is the principle of The correct answer is B, vaccination. What is the primary barrier that protects the central nervous system from circulating pathogens? The correct answer is C, blood-brain barrier. When antibodies are injected into a person to provide immediate temporary protection, it is called The correct answer is C, passive immunity. What kind of white blood cell primarily releases toxic granules to kill cells, especially in allergies and parasite defense? The correct answer is D, eosinophils. The cells that reside in the tissues, not blood, and function as specialized phagocytes are The correct answer is B, macrophages. The primary goal of natural killer NK cells is to The correct answer is C, kill virus-infected and tumor cells non-specifically. What is the collective name for the system of vessels and organs that collects tissue fluid and returns it to the blood? The correct answer is C, lymphatic system. The process where inflammatory cells stick to the blood vessel walls before migrating to the site of infection is The correct answer is D, margination. What is immunosuppression? The correct answer is C, reducing the activity of the immune system. The region on an antigen where an antibody binds is called the... The correct answer is D, epitope. Which specific T-cell receptor recognizes antigens presented on MHC class I molecules? The correct answer is B, CD8. The localized response to tissue injury or infection characterized by pain, heat, redness, and swelling is ... The correct answer is B, inflammation. Which immunoglobulin is the first one produced in response to a primary infection? The correct answer is D, IgM. The secondary immune response is faster and stronger than the primary response due to the presence of... The correct answer is D, memory cells.